let's talk about authorization of modern applications. So auth Z. So when we think about this in a kind of SaaS application context, there's usually a IDP, and they'll do the SSO session to a product. And what's interesting is this product, will have things like, on a user object, it'll have a flag like is admin. And this little flag decides, is this user an admin? So that's challenging because there is no central control of this. There is a protocol that exists that many IDPs implement called SCIM. And SCIM, what it can do is it can provision that user when the user is first created. It can also provision groups. And maybe in some SaaS apps, not all, but some, you can make a administrators group. So then your IDP can control how you log in through SSO and then who's the administrator by using SCIM. However, there's some problems here. Many apps don't just have a simple group that defines who's an admin. They have a whole part of their app that are the resources. And they have bindings of a user to, document X. And this binding, there's no way to get to that from SCIM. There's no protocol that exists to do this. So here at ConductorOne, this is one of the things we built. We built a whole bunch of connectors, which we call our Baton connector ecosystem. And they will go out and look at the resource tree in an application, find the bindings, whether it's a user binding or a group binding or other identity binding into the resource tree of an application and pull them into ConductorOne so that we can provide authorization and access control over objects in a downstream SaaS application with that you cannot control their access with SSO or SCIM alone.